Day 130 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel where we're doing a LeetCode problem every day. And today we're at day 130, y'all. We're really making some progress. We're in month 4 and we're still going strong. No signs of slowing down anytime soon, y'all. So I hope this page is encouraging y'all to stay motivated and stay disciplined and to keep going down your LeetCode journey, y'all, because it's going to take some time. It's not easy for any of us, but that we are not going to let that stop us, y'all. Part of being part of the Swift community is we lift each other up, y'all, and we encourage each other to keep going, to keep learning, and to keep coming up with new ideas. And that's part of what this channel is all about. So before we get started, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and help push this content out to a broader audience, because that's what being part of the Swift community is all about, y'all. We trying to get as many people interested in learning about Swift as possible. It's a growing community all across the world, y'all. And in order for us to do our part, we have to help push this content out or do whatever else needs to be done to help the community grow, y'all. Now, with all that being said, let's get into the question. And today we have question number 333, ransom note. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here to learn something. And if you don't understand the code, the chances of you walking away from this video having learned anything are slim. And that's not what we want. We want y'all to learn something. So that's why we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible. So let's get into the question. It says, given 2 strings, ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letters from magazine and false otherwise. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. So let's see. In example 1, we have the input ransom note A and magazine B. The output is false. Actually, let's start with example 3 so we can see what it looks like when it's true. So we'll get back to example 2 after this. So in example 3, we have input ransom note AA, magazine is AAB. The output is true. Now the output is true because we can construct ransom note with the characters in magazine. So in ransom note, we have AA. So as long as magazine has an AA, then we can construct ransom note. So magazine has AAB. All we need is the AA. So that's why the output is true, because we can use magazine to construct ransom note with just the A and the A. Now, if you look at example 2, we have ransom note AA, magazine AB. The output is false because we cannot construct ransom note AA out of AB. There's only AB. We need an AA. We need another A, because it says right here, each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. So we can only use this A once, and we could bring that over here, but we need another A, but we don't have it. We have a B. So that's why the output is false. Same thing goes with example 1. We have an A and ransom note, and we have a B in magazine, but we need an A in magazine so we can construct the A in ransom note. But since we don't have it, that's why the output is false. So now that we understand the question, which is key to understanding the code, because how can you understand the code if you don't know what the question is asking? Let's get into the code. The code's not that difficult, y'all. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to declare a variable called copy magazine, and we are going to set that equal to magazine. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to say for ran and ransom note. What we are going to do is we're going to say if let index equals copy magazine dot first index. Then we're going to open up the parentheses and say of, put the colon, ran. Then we're going to come over here, put the brackets. Then we're going to say copy magazine dot remove open up the parentheses, at, then we're going to say index. Then we're just going to come down here, we're going to say else, open up the parentheses, return false. Then we're going to come down here, and all we're going to do is say return true. And that should be all she wrote, y'all. Let's run it, make sure it runs correctly how it's supposed to. Let's see. And it's accepted, y'all. It's looking good so far. Let's submit it, make sure it's still accepted after we submit it. And there it is, y'all. 19 milliseconds beats 92.19% of users with Swift, y'all. That's what I like to see. The time is running fast. It's running good, running properly. The code is accepted, y'all. And that's not a bad problem to learn something today. So I hope y'all learned something today. And I hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.